Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at Best Friends by Hillsong Young and Free, which is in the key of B major. Okay, so this is quite a cool, chilled kind of song. It's definitely got a vibe to it. Yeah, so if you haven't listened to the song before this tutorial, I would advise you to listen to it and try playing to the song, but try playing along to the song. I think a lot of what I'll be explaining will make sense once you've heard the song and you play along with the song. Okay, so we're going to be looking at all the chords that we're going to be using for the song. So as I've mentioned, the song is in the key of B major. So the first chord we're going to be using is a B major. So I'll be playing B major this way, followed by a D sharp 5 chord. So basically a D sharp 5 chord is when you omit the third. So, and you just keep the first and the fifth. So this is how I traditionally play D sharp major. So if I omit the third, I'm left with the first and the fifth. So I'm just gonna play the first again. Okay, so followed by E major 7, followed by G minor 7, G sharp minor 7, sorry, followed by a B major chord with the F sharp bass, but you can keep the F sharp here. So in the song you play a G minor 7 into a B over F sharp. So yeah, and another chord is D sharp major. Okay, so I'm going to start with the verse chords. So the verse starts with a riff which goes like, okay, so before I get to the riff, I'm just gonna go through the chord progression. So I'm playing a B major to D sharp 5 to E major 7 to G sharp minor 7 to B over F sharp. So it's like, so that's the whole chord progression for the verse and the chorus. Okay, so when it comes to the riff of the verse, your left hand will be playing this bass line. And your right hand will be playing this line. Okay, so let me play my right hand very slowly. So I'm going to play everything very slowly. Okay, so when you get to the pre-chorus, you're still playing the same chord progression as the verse, which is B major, D sharp, E major 7, G sharp minor. And when you get to the chorus, it's a very similar chord progression. There's just one chord that changes. So the chorus, you play B major, and the next chord is a D sharp major. So now we've included the third. And you might notice that this chord is quite funky. And the reason for that is the song is in the key of B major, and we're playing a D sharp major chord which contains G. Now G does not exist in the B major scale, and that's what gives this chord such a funky feel, or sort of like a bluesy feel as well. So if you don't like this chord, you can substitute it for a D sharp minor. It'll still sound the same. Yeah, so if you don't like the feel of that chord, you can substitute it for a D sharp minor 7. So I'm gonna keep on playing the D sharp major to E, G sharp major 7, Okay, so when we go to the interlude, which is at the end of the chorus, there's another riff that they play which goes like this. Okay, so now I'm going to play my left hand as well for context. So I'm going to do that very slowly. And you would notice as well that the synth plays a bass line in the interlude, which goes like this. But that's completely optional. It's up to you if you want to play that. I find it incredibly difficult to play this riff while playing this bass line, but it's definitely not impossible. Yeah, so guys, that was pretty much all the parts of the song. I tried my best to go as slow as possible, but you can always play back the video in slow motion, and you can pause it whenever you feel I'm going too fast. But I hope that could help. And that's it, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe, and feel free to put your song request in the comment section. And thanks for tuning in.